Welcome to Hillhurst, a timeless, established community in Cary, Illinois, where mature trees, traditional homes, and walk-to-town convenience create the perfect setting for your next chapter. Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzy with Century 21 in Heritage. And in this neighborhood tour, we're giving you an insider's look at one of Cary's most beloved subdivisions, Hillhurst.
Whether you're relocating, moving up, or just looking for a classic home in a well-connected community, this one checks all the boxes.
Hillhurst is tucked just northeast of Route 14 and Main Street, placing you minutes from downtown Cary, Metra, parks, and major highways. The location offers the best of both worlds, suburban calm with unbeatable connectivity. One of the biggest wins here, you can walk to Metra and the library and still come home to peace, privacy, and a real sense of community.
Developed between 1986 and 1990 by Cary Home Builders, Hillhurst was built as a single-phase subdivision, which means no new construction zones, no future development plans, and no surprise changes to the neighborhood's look and feel. Hillhurst is made up entirely of single-family homes, offering a variety of traditional ranch and two-story floor plans. Homes range from about 1,400 to nearly 4,000 square feet, with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths, and most feature basements, many finished.
You'll see thoughtful touches like spacious backyards, large decks, formal dining rooms, walk-in closets, and even gas fireplaces in many homes.
Garages are typically 2-car, though some homes offer 3-car setups, and added storage. The architecture stays true to a timeless suburban aesthetic. Classic vinyl siding, asphalt roofs, and interiors that many owners have updated over time. Most lots in Hillhurst are about a quarter-acre, plenty of room for play, pets, or entertaining without requiring hours of yard work.
Hillhurst is served by Cary School District 26 and High School Districts 155, with Cary-Grove High School as the assigned school. If school districts are part of your decision, it's important to verify the exact assignments with the school directly. Boundaries can change. We're here to help you make sure the home you choose aligns with your family's needs.
Inside the neighborhood, you'll find Hillside Prairie Park, and some homes even back up to protected natural land like Sands East Prairie. These green spaces add peace, privacy, and property value. There's no HOA in Hillhurst, which means no monthly fees and more freedom to personalize your home, whether that's adding a deck, updating your landscaping, or painting your front door your favorite color.
You're less than a mile from downtown Cary, where you'll find local restaurants, shops, the Cary Area Library, and the Metro line to Chicago. Groceries, medical care, and everyday errands are just minutes away.
Love the outdoors? Hillhurst is close to golf courses, conservation areas, and over 1,500 acres of scenic trails, natural preserves, including Hickory Grove Highlands and Silver Creek Conservation Area. There's something for everyone here, whether you're into hiking, golfing, or just relaxing on your deck with a view. Hillhurst is ideal for move-up-flyers, commuters who want walk-to-Metra access, or families who love the mix of classic homes, nature, and small-town charm.
If you're thinking about making a move, we'd love to help you explore Hillhurst and see if it's the right fit for your next chapter.
Book a consultation with us or download our free relocation guide to get started.